Welcome all, Papa G here. Today is Saucy Sunday. It's where we focus primarily on low-carb recipes for sauces, condiments, and dressings. Most of the videos will be short and to the point, just something to help add a little flavor to your low-carb diet. Let's get started. For this week's episode, I present my sweet and creamy lemon herb salad dressing. A fresh and not too thick dressing that'll bring a sweet, lemony flavor to any salad or vegetable melody. Let me show you how to make it. Add some mayonnaise to a mixing bowl, a sugar substitute equal to 1/4 cup of regular sugar, a little salt, dried dill, some lemon pepper seasoning, and just a quick note, not all lemon pepper seasonings are the same. Most have added sugar and salt. Try and find one like this with no sugar or salt added. Add some apple cider vinegar, and we'll finish with a generous amount of lemon juice. Mix vigorously with a whisk to combine. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours to allow the sugar to fully dissolve and the flavors to come together. Remove and uncover. You want to mix or shake well before each serving. Add over a fresh salad, or offer as a dip for any vegetable melody. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my lemon herb salad dressing. A wonderfully sweet and zesty recipe to add just a little more flavor to your low-carb diet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.